Do you want love or money? Today, we're gonna find out which one of these three dating stocks is the best. Let's take a look. Welcome to the newsroom. Today we're talking about three stocks. We got Match. Everyone knows Match, but you might not know that within Match is a lot of other companies. We also have Spark Networks and we have MOMO. So we're going to take a look at all three of these stocks and see which one is the best to invest in. Now, what I found interesting, first of all, was that there's not a lot of competition out there. There's three companies that house all these different dating apps you use. The Tinders, the Hinges, the Fringes, the Binges. All of the different apps you use are owned by Match. And then there's two other competitive companies that are traded on the stock market as well that you could possibly invest in, which I'm going to talk about all three. But let's face it. People are bored and people want love and relationships and hookups. They want to be face to face, but they can't because you're wearing a mask. So the alternative is to get on here and be face to face, get it as close as possible, act like you're talking to someone, walk around the kitchen with it, sit it down at the dining room table. So let's take a look. First, we're going to look at Spark Networks, ticker LOV. Currently trading at $4.60. It's down almost 2% today. I wonder why that is. Maybe someone didn't find love and they got mad and they shorted the stock. So Spark Networks operates online dating sites and mobile applications. It focuses on catering professionals and highly educated singles with serious relationships intentions in North America and other international markets. So some of the dating platforms are Zoosk, EliteSingles, Jdate, Christian Mingle, eDarling, JSwipe, SilverSingles. What the hell is that? So these companies are smart. I wouldn't be surprised if another dating app popped up for people that just like spaghetti. I would probably join that, actually. So I don't know what eDarling is. I don't know what Zoosk is. I don't know what EliteSingles are. So let's pull up a commercial.
For myself and you, no love is true.
EliteSingles, the leading dating site for highly educated singles. Register today to love again at elitesingles.com.au.
I don't know how they verify they're smart. Maybe there's some type of IQ test. I don't know. But that's the market. You're not going to join this if you're dumb. Or actually, if you do, that would be very smart. Then you would get to meet the smart people and have a baby that's half dumb, half smart. Then the next time that baby has a relationship and they have kids, then that dumb person originally turned to a smart person. That's interesting. What's this one? Here's Zoosk.
Love does not come first. First comes putting yourself out there.
That's so nice. I could watch these all day.
First comes like.
That guy's jealous. Oh, no, he found someone. Oh! Alright. You're looking very gentlemanly. Oh! You got a disco ball! I need that. Oh no. He burned the house down. Zoosk, sometimes with Zoosk you can burn the house down. That was very heartwarming. Zoosk, good commercials. I could have sat there all day and watched that. So looking at this chart right here, I immediately see there's a nice trend. As mostly all stocks after Rona, they started building this bottom and moving with the markets. So right now it looks like it's in a buying zone. Anywhere around this 470 to 450, 440, somewhere around there is a nice buying zone. If this thing continues to trend up, which I think it will because of the season we're in, the season of this, how you doing? I like the way you look, and not going outside, talking to your computer instead. Price target 675. And the reason why I picked 675 is because of this box over here. Bing. That's a peak. That's a resistance. top of the mountain. So it could hit there and test. Who knows if it will blow through or pull back. That would be a good projection and prediction. So that's it for LOV Spark Networks. Let's take a look at good old Matchy Match. Everyone knows Match, but you might not know how many companies that these people have acquired and ate up. So Match Group provides dating products worldwide. Its portfolio of brands include Tinder, Match, Meetic, OkCupid, Hinge, Pairs, PlentyOfFish, and Ourtime, as well as various other brands. So they got a lot of them. Let's see if we can pull up a commercial on these guys.
Missy joined PlentyOfFish yesterday, and she's already deep in conversation. Jessica didn't join, so she's deep into episode 7. Missy is planning to meet a guy for coffee tomorrow. Jessica is planning to go to sleep. People on PlentyOfFish get into more conversations in the first 24 hours than on any other dating app. Join today and message as much as you like for free.
So what I gathered from that ad is the lady on the right was very lonely. She's watching soap operas, she's watching cooking shows, she's yawning on the couch. The other girl, she's having a great time. She's living it up, hanging out with Mike, Dave, Charles, Pete, Steve, all of them. 90% of our users want to video date, that they enjoyed it and want to do it again, and more than half of our users say they want to continue to do this after the pandemic because it's a great vibe check before you invest in going out with a person. This is from Hinge. So if you're on the video chat, you're talking to someone, and they turn weird, something weird happens. Guys can do weird things, and women. Something weird happens, you just, all right, well, I'll talk to you later. It's it. It's over. They're probably still in there talking. Yep. You just close it. You put it away. You watch Netflix. That's the cool thing about online dating. You just close it. Done. In real person, they're following you home. You gotta like wave someone down to help you out. This is the perk and the benefit to online dating apps. So here's some of the companies that Match owns. Hinge, like we said, Hinge is a dating app founded by blah, blah, blah. Hinge bills itself as a relationship app and claims to emphasize a more long-term connection between users. Okay, so OkCupid, it features multiple choice questions to match members. Huh. So here's Tinder. Tinder is an American geosocial network and an online dating application that allows users to anonymously swipe to like or dislike others' profiles based on their photos. So this one is a very shallow company. So you just look at the photo and you go, nah, ugh, cute, cute, cute. That's it. Once two users have matched, they can exchange messages. So if I say yes to Ashley, and then Ashley sees me and she says yes, now we can communicate. It's an interesting system. But it's creating that shallow mentality. So when you meet up with Ashley in person and she looks nothing like her photog, you're going to try and swipe in person. It don't work that way. But the point of this is that all of these companies are umbrellaed in Match. Match is massive. For Match, the ticker is MTCH, currently trading at $113, up 0.11%. Not much. So not bad and not great. So looking at the chart, this thing looks very stable. This is a very stable trend line. It's holding nicely. It's only trending up. It had its little points of dropping, but it hasn't changed channels, hasn't changed direction. Still heading up, following that line nicely. Right here, we got a good buying opportunity. Anywhere under 114 to like 110, somewhere around there is a nice buying up. If it bounces off this trend line, it's a nice buy. It's a real nice buy. So I could see a price target of 130 if this bounces off. One thing to mention is that they have earnings coming up, and that's why I'm mentioning Match, because you could get into it now, or if it does pull back down, you can then get into it and get a better price. Hold it, because I think they're going to beat earnings very well, because I think right now is the prime time. Bars are closed. You can't go to bars. And supermarkets, you can only walk one way. How are you supposed to like talk to anyone? All right, on to the next stock. We're looking at MOMO. Ticker MOMO, currently trading at $15. It's up 0.17%, not a lot. Let's take a look at it. What do they do? So MOMO operates a mobile-based social and entertainment platform. In the highlighted area, it also operates TanTan, a social and dating app for young mobile internet users, which enables users to find and establish romantic connections and meet interesting people. And looking at their financials, they're looking really good. Look at this. Every quarter, they're killing. beating earnings every single time. So looking at this chart, instantly I see we got a couple mountaintops here. Short-term peaks, double mountains, boom, boom. Won't clear it. Now the question is, they're at a crossroads. What direction are they going to go? Are they going to head up, break through it finally, or head down? Now let's zoom out to a bird's eye view, and we're looking at this over the past year. Consistent downtrend. Now this is the one thing I don't like about MOMO, but listen, there's not that many dating app stocks. Not that many. Just these three. I couldn't find many others. This is it. Question is, are they at a turning point because of Rona season? Is Rona season helping them? It hasn't helped them yet. I mean, we've been in Rona season. They're still downtrending. They have their little pops, little $3 pops here and there. Are they at a bottom? This is the question. I don't know if MOMO could do it. Personally, I like LOV and I like Match. Huh? Oh, yeah. Thanks. Guess what, guys? We got a delivery, a package. Oh, I know what this is. Okay. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. We got a delivery in. Oh, that's nice. Soft, too. The merch store is live. It's been live for many months now. So if you want to retire young investor shirt, we got the retire young day trader shirts. Go check it out. Link is in the description. Plenty of shirts, all colors to choose from. I'm going to try this on. Hold on one second. All right, that actually fits really good. I'm looking buff in this thing. I love the long sleeve. I love rocking this. I get comments all the time like, hey, you a day trader? And then you link up and you meet people. It's a cool way to meet traders and rep that you are investing your time in learning how to trade stocks, and in turn, it's going to help you retire young. So that's a perfect segue for hitting the subscribe, because guess what? By doing that, you're getting a little bit closer to retiring young.